Hello guys, welcome back. So as you know, in the previous video we have completed our this differentiate differentiation between two application, between the delivery application and between the restaurant application. It simply means the restaurant's uh, application user cannot be login by the same email password in the delivery app, and delivery guys cannot be login in the restaurant apps using by email and password which is registered in delivery app. So we are differentiating both, so both application cannot be login by the same email and password. For example, if the restaurant owner trying to login in delivery app and delivery guy trying to login in restaurant app, so they both must have their own account in the both application. So we did all these things in our previous video. So now let's do the same things for the restaurant application. In the previous video we did for the delivery guys. Now we will do the same things in the restaurant. So for this, come back to the Android Studio, and here this is our delivery app project. So we have to close it, and let's open our restaurant project. So file, close project, and now here let's open this restaurants application. Wait a while, it's just analyzing, as you can see here. So now, as we did in our delivery application, we will do same things here. As you can see, this is the if condition. If current user is not equals to null, we are sending user to the home screen. I mean, if the user have the account with the application, we are sending you the user to the home screen. And then if everything is successfully, we are saving data to the locally. So now what we have to do here, just simply come here after this snapshot. Here we have to give one condition here, same we did in our delivery app. So here we will say if snapshot dot exist. It means if the record is exist in the Firebase. So in this condition, what we have to do, we will save the data, this one, to the locally. Sorry, cut it and paste it here, and then from here cut this and here paste it here like this. We are closing the navigator pop context. We are closing the dialog box, and we are sending user to the home screen if everything is goes well, without any error occur, or without any, I mean, the authentication is successfully. So we are sending here to the home screen. And here, as you can see, if the current user is not equals to null, just remove this from here to here, from this dot, remove from here to here, and now put semicolon here. So simply, if the current user is not equals to null, we are successfully saving the data here. And if the snapshot exists in this collection, this is collection for restaurant information, and another one is the for restaurant delivery guys, and here this is the restaurant information, and another application is for delivery guys information. So if this snapshot, if this user, current user who's trying to log in the application, is have record in the restaurant applications uh, in this collection, so exist, I mean it is exist, if this is exists, so we are saving this data and we are sending user to the home screen. And here else, if no exist, if there is no record in the Firebase, what we have to do, we just simply copy this, paste it here, and now here we will send user to the welcome screen. It simply means if there is no record exist in this collection in the Firebase for the restaurant application who is trying to log in, so we will send that person to the welcome screen where the person can register or to the application, because in the welcome screen we are providing the option for registering. There is two buttons, one for login, one for registration. So I hope you understand these things what we did here. It is just only differentiate. Simply, the restaurant application owner cannot be log in by the same email password in the delivery app, and delivery guys cannot be signed in by the same email in the restaurant application. So yeah, let's test the application. This things is working or not. So just click on this run button and it will install in our phone. If you are using your phone or you are using emulator, up to you. So just wait. It will take little time because we are installing again in our phone this project. This is restaurant project, and it's as you can see here running Gradle task assembling debugging. So we have to wait for it. And now it's installing. Let me open my mobile. And we will be this now. This is splash screen, and now we will be on this. So let's try to log in by the email from the delivery guy. So let's see what. Let me check what is the ID for delivery. So let me open this. So this is the our Firebase, and here the let's click on this delivery guy. Let's click on this authentication, and here we have this Johan, and this is for these two email address for the because we are saving the uh, same project on these email address I mean data. So the as you know guys, in the previous video we have registered this Johan in the delivery application, and this person is registered with the delivery application, not with the restaurant application. Let's try by this email what will happen. So here let's type Johan johan@gmail.com and password let's say 123456, and now let's try to log in. Click on it. As you can see, the password is valid or the user does not have a password, so it means it's working fine. Let's try to correct email which is the registered with the restaurant application, and there is a this one email advertise, and this is the password 1234. Let's try to this. Click on this login, and as you can see it's working fine. So our differentiating is working fine. Our authentication, we cannot the login by the same email password which we are registered in the delivery guy, and delivery guy also cannot be login in the restaurant application without having an account in the restaurant application. So now next thing is, and we forget one thing here, in the else condition we have to say firebase auth dot sign out, because we want to sign out from the application if the user don't have an account with the restaurant application. So yeah, and let's add a dialog box here. After this let's copy paste this one, so dialog box, copy this, come back here, and after this let's simply paste it here and remove this, and right here there is no account exist. You can write whatever you want and add a const modifier like this. So this will be appear when the user trying to log in without any email and password which is not registered with the restaurant application. So now let's test the application again, if this is working or not. Hot reload, and just open this application and log out. Now here let's add the wrong email. So this email in the registered in delivery application. So here let's say Johan, and password was 123456. And now here let's click on login, and let's see this dialog is working or not. So click on this. As you can see, the password is invalid or the user don't have a password. And here and run application again one more time. This is home screen, splash screen, and this is your now login. Let's again type Johan and the password 123456 and click on this here. Now click on this login. The password is invalid or the user doesn't have an account, doesn't have a password. So now one more time let's add by another email. So here we have another delivery guy, but this application for restaurant owner, not for delivery guys. So let's try to check it. This is the user in the delivery app, and here password is 123456, and let's say click this and here login. And as you can see, there is no account exist. This one, there is no account exist because there is a no account with the restaurant application for this user. This user has account in the delivery application, and we are on the welcome screen again. As you can see background, this is our welcome screen for the restaurant application. We will change this later on like we did in our delivery application. It's not looking well. So thank you guys for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.